Dear students, in this video I will deal with exercise 2.2 of chapter 2, that is polynomials. Question number 1 is find the value of the polynomial 5x square minus 4x square plus 3 at three different values, that is x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. So in this case we have to put the values and we have to find out the answers of the following polynomial. So in this case, firstly we'll take the x value of 0, x value as 0, so 5 0 minus 4 0 square plus 3. 5 zeros are 0 minus 4 zeros are 0 and plus 3. So answer here will be equal to 3. If x is equal to minus 1, so 5 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 whole square plus 3, that will be equal to minus 5 plus 1 ones are 1 and into 4, that is 4 ones are 4 plus 4 and plus 3, that will be equal to minus 5 plus 7, that will be equal to plus 2. Next is, in this case you have to take the value of x as 2, so 5 into 2 minus 4 x square, that is 2 square plus 3, so that will be equal to 5 to the 10 minus 2 to the 4 and 4 4 is the 16 and plus 3, so that will be equal to 10 plus 3 13 minus 16, that will be equal to minus 3. So these are the answers, 3 plus 2 and minus 3 of question number 1. In second question, you have to find the value of p0, p1 and p2 for each of the following polynomials. I have already written the polynomials. If we substitute value 0 here, you will get 0 minus 0 plus 1, that will be equal to plus 1. If the value of y is 1, then 1 square 1 minus 1 plus 1 and you will get 2 minus 1 equal to 1. If the value of y is 2, 2 to the 4 minus 2 plus 1 equal to 5 minus 2, that will be equal to 3. Now in this case the value of t is given 0, 1, 2 again, so 2 plus 0 plus again 0 and minus 0 cube, that will be again equal to 0, so answer will be 2. If the value of t is 1, then 2 plus 1 plus 2 and minus 1, that will be equal to 4, 5 and 5 minus 1 equal to 4. If the value of t is 2, then it will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8 minus 2 cube, that is minus 8 plus 8 minus 8 will cancel and the answer you will get as 4. X cube, if the value of x is 0, then it will be 0. Value of x is 1, answer will be 1. If the answer value of 2, 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. In this case, if the value of x is 0, you will get 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. So that will be equal to minus 1 multiplied by plus 1 and that will be equal to minus 1. 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0 into 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 zeros are 0. If the value of x is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 ones are 3 is equal to 3. So these are the values of 0, 1 and 2 of the following expressions. Question number 3 is verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So in this case, the value has been given to you. You have been given an expression and the value of x is given. We have to substitute this value and have to check that whether it is the 0 of the polynomial or not. So in this case, I will put the value of p minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So this will get cancelled and you will get here minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So yes, it is a 0 of the following. Yes, this is a 0. You will write yes, it is a 0 of the polynomial. Next, if p 4 by 5 So you will have 5 into 4 by 5 minus 22 by 7, because it is given as pi. Yes, 5x minus pi has been given. So 5 will cancel out, and you will get here 4 minus 22 by 7. So that will be equal to 28 minus 22 is 6 by 7. So it is not a 0 of the polynomial. If the value of x is 1 in this case, and p1 will be equal to 1 ones are 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So yes, it is a 0 of the following polynomial. In this case, we have been given two values, so we have to check both the values. P minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out, and here minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3. So it is not a 0 of the polynomial. And then p, if value given is 2, then it will be 2 plus 1 equal to 3 into 2 minus 2 is again equal to 0. So 3 zeros are 0. That will be equal to, yes, it is a 0 of the following polynomial. Next is x is given 0. So 0 square is again 0. So the value is 0. So it is a 0 of the polynomial. So answer is yes. Next is 6th px, that is p minus m by l. So we'll put the value L into minus m by L plus m. LL will get cancelled, and you'll get minus m plus m, that will be equal to 0. So yes, it is a 0 of the polynomial. Again here through two values are given, p minus 1 by under root 3, that will be equal to 3 into minus 1 by under root 3 whole square. So this will get cancelled, and minus 1. So you will get 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So yes, this is the 0 of the polynomial. And if it is, the value is 2 by under root 3, then it will be 3 into 2 by under root 3 whole square minus 1. Again this will get cancelled, 2 to the 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So no, this is not a 0 of the polynomial. Next is x value is p 1 by 2. So that will be equal to 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 2. So this is again is not the 0 of the following polynomial. Question number 4 is find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Now in this case you have to find the value. So we'll equalize this expression equal to 0, because we have to find the value of x at which the value of expression will come out to be 0. So x plus 5 is equal to 0, as x is equal to minus 5 here. Similarly here x minus 5, px is equal to 0, that means x minus 5 will be equal to 0, and x will come out to be plus 5. Here again we will do 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So x will come out to be minus 5 by 2. Next is 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 2 by 3. Next is 3x is equal to 0. So x will be equal to 0 by 3, which will be equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0, and you have to do ax is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 by a, where a is not equal to 0. So answer is again here 0. cx plus d is equal to 0, where c is not equal to 0 and c and d are real numbers. So x will be equal to minus d by c. So the answer will be minus d by c. Okay, so I think this is the last question. Okay, so these are the answers of the exercise 2.2. 4 questions are there, and in most of the questions you have to solve the expression of the polynomial given by the given values, or you have to find the 0 of the polynomial, or you have to state whether the following values are the zeros of the polynomial or not. In the next video we will deal with exercise 2.3. Dear students, I have solved this question 1. Second part, I have just put here plus sign instead of minus sign. That's why my answer is wrong. So if you solve it again, you will get minus 5. 1 ones are 1, and it will be minus 4 here plus 3. So that will be minus 9 plus 3, and that will be equal to minus 6. So here the answer will not come out to be plus 2, but here the answer will be minus 6. Yes, this answer is minus 6.